this year's summit, we have put the spotlight on emerging applications, cellular agriculture, sustainable urban solutions, and renewables for the environment. These and more have the potential to not only help change the way we make and consume, but to ensure there's a future for our next generations. For this purpose, we have curated a lineup of thought leaders and organizations at the global forefront of additive manufacturing, whom we are also looking to work with right here in Singapore.
This year's summit theme focuses on sustainability and supply chain resilience with additive manufacturing. And NAMIC has also supported over 150 local and international startups like them since 2015. There are over about 200 companies that have adopted AM in their business processes just in Singapore today. It's a 30% increase compared to about 2 years ago. Singapore is now home to over 40 AM startups, and I commit to you that we will continue to help these companies innovate as well as expand.
This is my first experience working with NAMIC, and Dr. Ho Chao Sing invited me out to join the conference as the keynote speaker. It's been very useful to gain an appreciation of the state of AM in this region, and I was really impressed to see the amount of collaboration, different international partners coming and connect with a lot of different startups and understand what kind of work they're doing.
We're very pleased to host our second Singapore AM Week since 2019, which includes the 12 Global AM Summit, Design Workshop, Center Tours, and a 3D design exhibition.
In some ways, we need also to curate a community of the future engineers which are design proficient.
Thank you, NAMIC, for putting this event together. This is really a good forum to really preach the 3D printing to the general public.
Thank you, NAMIC, for having the NAMIC AM Week, and also for participants to understand more about additive manufacturing.
We also hosted the Startup Innovation Forum with Enterprise Singapore. This year's exciting lineup featured sustainability, health tech, climate tech, food tech, and more.
An event like this, where you get to look under the hood a little bit, is much more real than what you read in profiles of companies.
I was very happy to see this strong deep tech ecosystem growing here in Singapore.
I really appreciate what NAMIC has done. They're doing a lot of innovation in this area, putting together this event. So I really appreciate NAMIC doing that for everybody.
But AM Week doesn't stop here. It goes beyond just a series of events. It is a platform for networking and learning, to help unlock the imagination, to push the boundaries of innovation, and explore new horizons with digital transformation and additive manufacturing.
This event is a platform to share the latest notable innovations and progress in the world, bring them to Singapore, and to forge strategic alliances. We want to open up people's minds to the possibilities and inspire them to start now. And I see a lot more companies adopting the technology over the years, with more people understanding how this could potentially support them in their business transformation, with additive manufacturing as an enabler. We need all of you to have the faith to make the jump, because we are here to help.